DocMo is simple. It just moves information into documents and emails. Entries in the tag dictionary are instructions that use your data on the green sheets. Tags define where information goes. Tag definitions define what to do with each tag. Let's review the tags in this template. Here is the first occurrence of the subname tag. Its text definition is a simple link. The tag will be filled with the result, Aperture Sciences. This tag has a format definition, which will make its contents bold. Now let's see the populated document. You can see Aperture Sciences and the bold content. So smile, because importing new data will produce new documents. It's that simple. What's also simple is starting with DocMo. Don't change how you do things, just automate them. Let's cover that in the next video.